What an amazing day we've had, going all over Chilliwack and the Yarrow area, going to all the local vendors, grabbing some fresh produce and enjoying all the things that happen here in British Columbia in the summertime. And we're taking everything back here to my campsite with my family, and we're doing these really simple, healthy pockets that go into tin foil. It's BC local West Coast salmon that we're using right off the river. And they go into the pockets and they cook on the grill, veg, everything is inside, and then we enjoy it. And I'm gonna show you how to put it all together. So right away, we're gonna go ahead and get some heavy duty aluminum foil. I say heavy duty because I've had them in the past explode on the grill. So heavy duty is best. I think we'll do 2 to a packet. So we'll put this here. I'm just gonna cover it up so the flies don't get on it. I just put all 4 of them here for now. Get rid of this bowl. Seems whenever I cook in the summertime, all I do is I attract a ton of flies. We're gonna take some of the local veg that we found. I have beautiful asparagus. I have some zucchini as well. I wanted some yellow little tiny squash, but I couldn't find any. And we have some red pepper as well. So really simple. We're just gonna snap the ends off of the asparagus, and the top part of it's nice and tender. These came just down the street from a local farmer as well. So lucky to have this amazing produce here in BC. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna top this today with, usually I like to use healthy fats like olive oils or flaxseed oil, but today I'm gonna go for it and have some local fresh butter. We're making a beautiful mixture of the butter and garlic and some herbs, and we'll show you how that comes together as well. It's really windy today. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're going to just simply cut these into maybe thirds is good enough. Put these over to the side. We're going to take our red pepper. I'm just gonna cut the top off, pull the seeds out. It's move-in time here at the campsite. There's tons of activity happening behind the camera, including people looking over to see what we're doing here in Chilliwack. So we'll go ahead and just roughly chop this up. All of these beautiful veg are gonna add some amazing flavor to the salmon as well. And then the zucchini. Zucchini, I like cutting it just a little bit thicker because it does cook a lot faster than, for example, the asparagus. So we'll just chop that up about 1/2-inch slices. Let's get onto the butter that we're gonna be putting on top. Super easy as well. I'm gonna take a 1/2 cup of butter, softened. We found ours at a local dairy out here in the valley. I've used 4 garlic cloves as well, chopped roughly in here also. We're gonna do about a teaspoon of pepper. We're gonna do about a teaspoon of salt as well. And I'm going to add just a touch of these beautiful roasted red pepper chilies. A little bit of spice, not a lot. Those that actually don't like spice won't even taste it, but the smokiness will definitely come through. We're gonna take some rosemary and some thyme, about a 1/2 teaspoon of each. We'll just roughly chop that up. Not a 1/2 teaspoon, about a teaspoon of each. That, and we'll do some of the thyme as well. The thyme I'm just gonna put right in. And then we're gonna do, I said, what, a 1/2 cup of butter. We'll do a 1/2 cup of parsley as well. So we'll put a little bit of rosemary in there, just roughly chopped up. And then some parsley. We'll do about a 1/2 cup of parsley. So we'll just go ahead, tightly pull that together. The flies are attacking my food, so I'm trying to hurry here. And just give that a good chop. Chop that up again some more. This is one short table, let me tell you. Okay, put that inside here as well. The butter needs to be nice and soft so that it can all come together. If you want, you can add a little bit of olive oil in there as well. Okay. A little bit more of the tin foil. Again, I've used heavy duty tin foil. Regular doubled up probably would be fine as well, but I've had the unfortunate experience of having the tin foil bust over top of the grill, which is never any fun. So we'll place the beautiful salmon inside here. We'll add a little bit of the pepper and half of the asparagus in here. We'll take a dollop of the butter, put it onto the salmon. It will melt, coat the veg as well, and really, really give it a beautiful flavor. Fold the ends up, nice and tight. Again, the barbecue's gonna be on medium high. We'll put these on for, I'm gonna poke one little hole in each of the bags, just a little poke. Did I make it look easy? It's gonna taste amazing. In it goes for 20 minutes. When we come back from the break, I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful and delicious watermelon martini. We'll enjoy that while the cooking's going on. See you back in a few minutes.